Hi, my name is Pedro Alvares. In this video I will be showing you the results of my work in Lecture 1 of CS50 Introduction to Game Development course. We had 4 objectives for this lesson. The first one was randomize the vertical gap between pipes. The second one was to randomize the horizontal gap between pipes. The third one was to award players a medal or medals based on the score. The fourth objective was to implement a pause feature. So let's play the game and see the results. You have to press enter to play, space to flap wings, and P to pause. As you can see, the gaps vertical and horizontal are varying. I will die here to win a bronze medal. That's it, the bronze medal, the bronze sparrow medal. I'll play again. Maybe try to reach the silver medal this time. Oops. Okay, that's the golden medal. Let's see. There it is, the golden falcon medal. Awarded when you have more than 15 points. I will try and pause the game now using P. The music stops, the game stops. And when you press P again, you resume playing. That's it. I'll try to win the silver medal now. Okay, the silver old medal. And that's it. That's the gameplay of 50 Bird. Thanks.